Ladies and gentlemen, please place your hand luggage in the overhead compartments or underneath the seat in front of you. If you are seated in an emergency exit row or in front of a bulkhead, the floor area must be completely clear for takeoff and all items must be placed in an overhead compartment. Please fasten your seatbelt, put your seat in an upright position and fold up your table. If your electronic device has a flight mode function, please enable it now. Mobile phones and tablets with flight mode, as well as all other non-transmitting electronic devices, may be used during the entire flight. For safety reasons, larger devices such as laptops must however be securely stowed away during takeoff, landing and severe turbulence. They may be used again when the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. We would also like to remind you that this is a non-smoking flight and that electronic cigarettes are also prohibited on board.
Allez, poursuite judiciaire. Merci de votre attention. In addition to the safety instructions just presented to you, we would like to ask you to make sure that the window shades are open and armrests down. Please be advised that non-compliance with the crew instructions, pictograms and current regulations may lead to legal consequences. Thank you for your attention.